Outstanding color. Easy versatility. Economical operation. Privacy protection. Color. The ideal medium for conveying important information to improve healthcare efficiency. Now, a full-color label printer for healthcare use. The new Epson TM-C3400. The TM-C3400 is specifically designed to meet the needs of healthcare institutions. Most healthcare labels are printed in monochrome, which can be difficult to recognize and read. The Epson TM-C3400 solves this problem. It prints color labels that are highly visible and easy to read, thus improving the efficiency of healthcare services. The TM-C3400 supports a wide range of media, allowing you to choose the right type to fit specific needs. It handles plain, high-grade, and synthetic media, as well as PET film. You can also print die-cut, roll, and fanfold labels in addition to wristbands. Featuring a high-capacity 3-color ink cartridge, the TM-C3400 vastly reduces inkjet printing costs. The Epson TM-C3400 also helps keep patient information private. Unlike thermal printers, which use ribbons that retain printed information, the TM-C3400 is an inkjet system, so no information exists in the printer after output. The Epson TM-C3400 Color Label Printer, the ideal choice for healthcare institutions. Epson. Revolutionary color label printing. Healthcare institutions use a wide variety of labels. IV bags, lab specimens, medications, and wristbands all require clearly marked labels. Most institutions have to make do with monochrome labels. These are adequate but lack the easy recognition of color labels. When color is required, labels must be pre-printed in the desired colors, a process that is both costly and time-consuming. The Epson TM-C3400 solves this problem. Featuring a high-capacity 3-color ink cartridge and support for a variety of labels, the industrial-strength TM-C3400 answers the diverse needs of healthcare institutions for efficient color labeling. Color labels facilitate identification of package contents in order to speed delivery of vital medical products to patients. Specimen labels are a good example. Color labels aid in categorizing specimens, enhancing lab efficiency and increasing productivity. The TM-C3400 can also print labels for prescription bottles and IV tags. Color coding, administration, and prescription information assures easy legibility and recognition. Additionally, by utilizing color wristbands, staff can quickly pinpoint specific patient data, such as allergies and primary doctor. The color capability of the Epson TM-C3400 vastly improves healthcare efficiency. Auto Ink Droplet Detection System. Quick access to accurate patient information is vital to the efficiency and safety of healthcare operations. Mistaken information can result in serious problems. For this reason, the TM-C3400 incorporates leading-edge technology to assure legible labels. Inkjet printers occasionally experience clogged nozzles, which can degrade output accuracy. Epson's auto ink droplet detection system prevents this. It checks nozzles to ensure proper printing before a clogged nozzle degrades quality. To check if nozzles are functioning, a small amount of electrically charged ink is emitted onto a sensor. If no ink is detected, the corresponding nozzle is clogged. This system checks all nozzles in a short time. When a clogged nozzle is found, cleaning begins immediately. After cleaning, the nozzle is checked again. If okay, normal printing resumes. Checking for clogged nozzles uses very little ink and no paper. This feature prevents missing colors and dead pixels in barcodes before printing, assuring cleaner printouts for more efficient operations. The Epson TM-C3400, the right choice for healthcare operations. Reliable auto cutter. Key to label printers is durability, especially for the cutter, which may cut hundreds of labels a day. Epson equipped the TM-C3400 with a heavy-duty cutter able to withstand the rigors of continuous use. Combining a specially coated blade that prevents label glue from accumulating with a scissors-like cutter constructed to stringent Epson standards, the TM-C3400 delivers up to 1,500,000 cuts per service cycle. Depend on the TM-C3400 for reliable operation day in and day out. Durable pigment ink. Exposure to water or other liquids can ruin labels, a possibility in any healthcare institution. Not so with the TM-C3400, thanks to durable Epson Pigment Ink. This type of ink produces water-resistant labels. Even if labels get wet, text and barcodes never smudge. Furthermore, outstanding light resistance means labels remain legible and vibrant for years. This makes the TM-C3400 ideal for labeling items that will be stored for long periods. Durable, long-lasting pigment ink, a decided advantage in any healthcare operation. Fast, versatile printing. Rapid, efficient response is of prime importance to successful healthcare operations. The TM-C3400 delivers fast output at 92 millimeters per second. This means no waiting around, even when printing large batches of labels. The TM-C3400 is versatile too, available in both USB and LAN-compatible models. Large operations will especially appreciate the LAN model, which lets users in different locations output labels to a centrally located printer. For healthcare institutions looking for quick, versatile performance, the TM-C3400 is the obvious choice. Wide range of media. For enhanced flexibility, the Epson TM-C3400 supports many different types, sizes, and shapes of media. This gives institutions the freedom to choose the right media to fit specific needs. In addition to support for plain and fine media, the TM-C3400 allows printing on synthetic media as well as PET film. The TM-C3400 also accepts a variety of shapes and sizes, such as roll and fanfold labels, die-cut labels, paper receipts, and wristbands. Color-correct output is also a hallmark of the printer. Advanced color settings allow you to adjust color to fit the media. Versatile media support and precise color output give the TM-C3400 a definite edge over other label printers. Friendly design. The compact size and small footprint mean the TM-C3400 requires less installation space. Its square shape and flat design allow it to fit in almost anywhere. On a shelf or beneath a counter, just about any space will do. Additionally, its flat top lets you stack small items on it. The TM-C3400, a perfect fit for any healthcare institution. Front access. The front access design allows operation and servicing from the front, including replacing consumables and performing other procedures. This makes replacing ink cartridges a breeze. Simply open the cover, pull out the empty cartridge, and snap in a new one. That's it. Unlike thermal printers, you don't have to bother with annoying ribbon replacements. Replacing rolls of labels is just as easy. Again, open the cover, pull out the core of the previous roll, and drop in a new roll. Easy, no-fuss maintenance. Front access also puts all controls and indicators in a position for fast, intuitive operation. Feed media manually and cut labels using buttons on the panel. For added convenience, LEDs on the panel show the printer status. Intelligently designed for your convenience. The Epson TM-C3400. Fanfold paper support. Perforated fanfold paper can be used easily with the TM-C3400. Simply insert the edge of the paper into the rear slot. The TM-C3400 automatically feeds the paper the rest of the way, the ultimate in operating ease. Intuitive printer driver and software. The TM-C3400 comes bundled with an easy-to-use printer driver and intuitive software utilities. Paper and barcode settings can be changed quickly via the printer driver. The printer setting utility lets you simultaneously change settings for multiple printers in a network. Configuration of network printers is point-and-click simple with browser-based Epson Net Config utility. And Epson Net Simple Viewer provides information on the status of network printers. Audio indicators offer added convenience. These are especially useful if the printer is located under a counter or away from main work areas. When printing is finished or an error occurs, the TM-C3400 lets you know by way of a pleasant beep. A nice touch for busy multitasking staff who don't have time to visually check the printer status every few minutes. Personal information privacy. Maintaining patient privacy is very important. Thermal printers use ribbons that retain printed information. This means the ribbon must be properly destroyed after use. The TM-C3400, on the other hand, is an inkjet system, so no information exists in the printer after output. This makes the TM-C3400 ideal for privacy-conscious healthcare operations. Earth-friendly design. At Epson, we know that planning for the future requires a strong commitment to our environment. That's why we make innovative products that are reliable, recyclable, and energy efficient. The TM-C3400 is no exception. Low power consumption of 26 watts in operation and 5 watts in standby promotes good ecology as well as economy. Additionally, its excellent environmental rating has earned it the Epson Ecology label, a voluntary labeling system that demonstrates Epson's support for continual improvements in environmentally conscious products and information disclosure. The Epson TM-C3400. A better product for a better future.